What's cooking, creators? It's cool here, your AI mentor from authorityvideos.com, the go-to spot where creativity meets cash flow. Today, we're whipping up a piping hot trend that's taking the internet by storm: animal chef videos. These adorable animal characters, think bears grilling BBQ or penguins making ice cream, are not just cute, they're content gold. They're fun, shareable, and insanely viral. And guess what? You don't need animation skills to make them. With the power of AI, you can create these videos in just a few steps and start cashing in with ad revenue, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to brainstorm chef characters and settings with ChatGPT. Turn those ideas into stunning visuals using Leonardo AI. Bring them to life with Kling AI. Add the perfect finishing touches using Veed. Oh, and don't forget the free cheat sheet in the description. It's your secret recipe for success. Ready to cook up some viral content? Let's get started. First things first, hit the link in the description to sign up for a free ChatGPT account. Let's get those creative juices flowing. Fire up ChatGPT and type this prompt. Generate 10 creative animal chef ideas, including the animal's name, personality, cooking style, and setting. Here's an example: Benny the bear, BBQ king, a grizzly bear flipping burgers and ribs in the heart of the forest. Penelope the penguin, the chill baker, a penguin creating frosty desserts in an ice palace. Fergus the fox, the foraging foodie. The clever fox has some cooking lessons up his sleeve. Copy your favorite ideas and get ready to bring them to life. Feel free to get wild. Next up, Leonardo AI. Click the link below to grab your free tokens, your ticket to jaw-dropping visuals. Log into Leonardo AI and use these settings. Model, Leonardo Phoenix. Style, dynamic and charming. Aspect, ratio, 9:16. Perfect for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels. Paste your prompt from ChatGPT, like Penelope the penguin baking cupcakes in her icy kitchen. In seconds, you'll have gorgeous images ready to download. Save them for the next step. At authorityvideos.com, we love tools that make you look like a pro in no time. Leonardo is like your sous chef in the creative kitchen. Now let's bring those chefs to life. Head over to Kling AI using the link in the description. Sign up for free, and let's get animated. Upload your chef image, copy the original prompt, and paste it into Kling AI. Click Generate Animation, and voila! Watch as Benny the bear flips burgers or Penelope the penguin frosts cupcakes. Repeat this for all your characters. Trust me, seeing these animals in action will give you Gordon Ramsay level confidence. You're officially a digital director now. For the final garnish, let's head to Veed. Click the link in the description to sign up for free. This tool is your secret weapon for professional quality videos. Import your clips into Veed, set the aspect ratio to 9:16, and add transitions, like the blade fade for smooth cuts. Label each chef with fun text overlays: Penelope the penguin, the chill baker. Don't forget the finishing touch, music. Pick a fun, upbeat track to match the vibe. Export your masterpiece and get ready to upload. From a blank canvas to a viral sensation, look at you go. This is why authorityvideos.com exists, to help creators like you crush it. Boom! You've just made your first viral-worthy animal chef video. Ready to share it with the world? Drop your masterpiece in the comments or tag us on social media. We'd love to see what you've cooked up. If this tutorial got your creativity sizzling, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and turn on notifications. At authorityvideos.com, we've got tons of AI-powered tips to keep you ahead of the trends. Until next time, stay creative and keep cooking up greatness. It's cool signing off.